What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Chickenomics. Today I just wanted to have a quick little video about the things you need to get started. I've had a lot of questions that are something along the lines of, hey, I want to get into the stock market, I'm not real sure how to start. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some of the free tools you can download and how to get started with little or no money, just to kind of get your feet wet and see what's going on. The first thing I want to talk about is a place to do your portfolio, and this is a really good website. It's an app on your phone as well, and this is Robinhood. As you can see here, this is an account that's got very little money in it. I was actually using this account as an experiment. I'm trying to make $1,000 from $100 in 90 days. As you can see, I'm doing pretty good. So far, we're making some progress, and so this platform is absolutely free. They do have some paid features that you can get, but are completely not required. The only thing I don't like about this app particularly is that you can't short stocks, which means you can only buy them and then resell them. You can't sell them to open and then buy them to close, which is not something that a beginner really needs to be doing anyway. I'll have a link in the description to my affiliate, my affiliate link for this website. I'm not affiliated with them, but anybody who uses my link to sign up will get a free stock, and I'll get a free stock as well. It's kind of like, hey, thanks for making this video and helping us out and helping us get started. I'll make some more videos in the future, kind of how to use this a little more in depth, some of the other tools you can use, and what all of this nonsense means. But for starters, this is a good place to get your feet wet. This is free. This is a good place to buy things, sell things, and kind of learn what's going on. The next thing I want to show you guys is called Thinkorswim. Now, this is an app that was developed by TD Ameritrade, and this is what I use to do all of my product research. Right now it's on GoPro because that's what I'm using in my challenge. This one's a little more complicated. There's a lot of videos on how to get it set up, how to use it, and what all of this means, but I'll come out with some videos to help you guys understand this a little bit as well. But what this is this is your analytical data. This is the information you use once you understand how to read it, how to make money with whatever asset you're using. And a good example of this is I'm using this chart down here at the bottom left to use GoPro to make some money. And the reason being is I knew that this was the lowest it's ever been this year, and that it'd be around this point at some time this year. So while it was low, I got in right here at this low point, and I'm riding the wave up. And that's kind of the kind of thing you can learn how to do when using this kind of software. And the last thing I want to show you is the website that I use to analyze and decide what stocks I want to buy and trade. And this is also a free resource. It does have a paid membership, premium membership right there. It just gives you a little more access and a few more things you can do. However, the basic functionalities are free, and this is a really good way, depending on your strategy, to find stocks to trade, to find what assets that you want to learn their patterns and learn how to trade in that asset and kind of what kind of patterns it follows and stuff like that. I'll make an in-depth tutorial on how to use bar charts and different kinds of trading strategies and stuff like that, and be able to use this a little better. But the important thing is these are 3 free, don't forget that part, free things you can use to help you get started trading. Robinhood's a great platform for trading. As you can see, you can add things to watch. Once you find your things you want to look into on bar chart over here, you can add them to your watch list. You can do all of that right here from Robinhood. Super easy interface. Things super easy. We'll both get a free stock if you use my link in the description to sign up. And then, most importantly, is your analytical tools. So you'll use bar charts to find what you want to look into, to find what you want to trade. You will use Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade, which I'll also have a link to. to do your analytics to see when you should trade it. And then you use Robinhood to actually execute the trade. Super easy. You click on the asset you want, click buy or sell. Super easy. Type in how many shares. Say you wanted 500. Tells you how much it costs per share, how much that would cost you. Review order. Only have $14 available, so I can't really do it. You know what? I'll even, let's see. Let's buy 3. Bang. Placing. So when the market's open on Monday, bam, it'll place that order. And then I won't have to worry about it. That's how simple this is to use. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Anything you might want to learn about, leave that down in the comments. Just get some conversation going. I'll answer any comments that I see. And you guys have a good one and happy trading.